guys, what's up family? Welcome back to another video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV.
Period.
If you are new, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. That way you know about my upcoming videos. Right now, let's do a little subscriber count. You know, we've been doing these every other video, I would say. And I like to just say, just to recognize people who are subscribed to my channel, because I appreciate you all so much, because I wouldn't be here without you guys' support. You know, I wouldn't be making videos if I didn't get anybody to subscribe, because then I would really know nobody wants to watch me. But I currently have 376 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. And our little family is growing. Our little family is growing slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Jill Scott, my sister, suggested that I should do more videos on shoes, which is cool with me because I like shoes. Because she sent me a link to a Coach shoes. She said she enjoys my series of purses, but she wanted to see me do some shoes. And what do y'all think about Coach? What do y'all think about Coach? Like, do y'all like Coach? I personally don't have any Coach items myself, but I have family members that do love Coach. I know they're not really as expensive as the other designers. The designer brands that I brought on my channel. Do y'all wear Coach? What do y'all think? Are they the same? Are they like quality wise? Are they good enough to purchase, spend my hard-earned coin on? I need to know. Let me know if you have any opinions on Coach, if you give it a yay or a nay. But in this video, to kick off my little shoe series, I'll still be doing purses and whatnot. To kick off my shoe series, I'll be talking about my Jordan Retro 1 dark mochas that I recently purchased. I've been on a hunt for these for so long, y'all. They're so hard to find. And I just happened to walk into the store, into Stadium Goods, and they happened to have my size, because when I was looking for them in Miami, they didn't have my size, but they have my size in New York. That's where I bought them, at Stadium Goods in New York. I'm going to insert clips of my shopping experience, and I'll be right back. We're talking more about the shoes and giving you guys a little review.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in New York City, and I'm going to take you guys on the journey with me. So our first stop right now is Billionaires Boys Club. We're parking right now. Hopefully we don't get a ticket, because we don't really know where we're supposed to be parking. But the two behind is parked. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys inside with me. Wear my BGC mask, and then my coat.
Get them red shoes over here out the rain, man. You know, you got them classics, bro. You gotta stay out the rain with them, you know what I'm saying? I bring my classics out and stay out the rain with them. You know, these classics, this is a park edition, you know what I'm saying?
Real nice.
You know what I'm saying? A park edition. Nobody don't have these, bro. Go ahead inside, man. Push your door, hand set us out for the wall.
Thank you.
My first pair of Jordan 1s ever. Air Jordan 1s, 1 Jordans. I am not like a super sneakerhead. I wouldn't say that. Like, I like wearing sneakers, but not really like with the ones that are considered on the fashion side. I like wearing running shoes, like, you know, Adidas, Nike runs, but I wasn't really into the fashion shoes. I had a pair of Jordans before when I was little, when I was like middle school, high school, but I didn't really wear them that much. But I really like these. I'm also show you guys how they look straight out the box. If you if you have feet, you know when you buy shoes, they come with shoelaces and they come with the box and they come with stuff stuck inside of it. I'm gonna answer some clips for that, of how they look. And here are the beautiful babes. Here are the shoes right here. My Jordan 1s, Air Jordan Retro, and I actually got them in the GS, which is, I found out, is considered grade school shoes. So these are the children sizes. I can wear a size 7 and 7.5 in boys. In the Jordans, I wear a size, I believe this is 7. Where is it at? Oh, it's on the side. I believe these are a size, yeah, these are a 7 youth, and they give off, if you know about Travis Scott, they give off the Travis Scott vibe. They look just like that. The only difference is that the check is reversed. That's the only difference. And then not the only difference actually, the foot, the toe part is actually not this material, it's not this color. It looks just like the back, but the shade of it is actually a bit different too. I'm gonna insert a picture of what the Travis Scott looks like, that way you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. The Travis Scott also comes with the different color strings. These only come with black. I really wanted the purple and pink one because I love purple and I think pink is really cute. It makes the shoe look more girly, even though I feel like this shoe to me gives off feminine vibes. In my opinion, it's just really soft and subtle, and it goes with everything. I don't know, you could say it's masculine too because of how dark the colors are compared to most shoes that people buy. They're super colorful, really neon, but I really love the color. That's what drove me to it. Not really the style of the shoe, but the colorway, the dark mocha. And here's up close. I'll give you an up close view of it. This is how it looks. Now, you were up close and personal, so you might have seen some things because I haven't really been babying these. I've worn them about, I want to say, roughly 6 times since I bought them. And a few days after I bought them, I actually spilled some tomato soup on them from Panera Bread. So if you like Panera Bread, y'all go try the tomato soup. It's so good with the grilled cheese sandwiches. But I wiped it off real quick. Like, I didn't waste much time. I went and grabbed some baby wipes that I had, or Lysol wipes. I think it was baby wipes. I just wiped it off. And some of it is still on the shoelaces. I don't know if you can see, it's like dried up red. But yeah, most of it came off, and you know, I'm not bothered by it because I didn't want it to stain the white parts of the shoe. That would have really upset me. I've really been mad. But it's all good now. This is how they look. They're so cute. I really love it because it's like, it goes with every outfit. It goes with every outfit. But okay, back to actual shoe. Back to the make of the shoe, I guess you can say. So it has the black rubber at the bottom, and then it has this material. I want to call it leather. It feels like a leather. I don't know. The check matches that material, and this back is like a suede. It's very soft. It's definitely like a suede. If you can see, when I move my hand across it, you can see it changing shade, like a suede material. Oh, there goes a dot from the tomato soup. I know some of y'all probably cringing right now because people who are sneakerheads out there, I know it's a no-no. Yeah, I know another no-no for some people is that you don't want to get creases in them, which I don't really care too much about the creases. The shoe still looks good, but to be honest, one thing I want to point out is that whenever you do buy your shoes, if you're someone who's buying for the first time, you know, considered a fashion shoe, and you don't want it to really be too used when you buy it, I would say make sure you're not buying a shoe that already has creases in it, because I know that the right foot had more creases in it. It had creases in it and the left one didn't. So now when you look at both shoes, you can see how the right one is a bit more creased. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but the right shoe definitely has more creases in it already at the toe. because it started off with more. And I don't know if that's because they were using this shoe as the tester shoe for me to try on and other people to try on or not. That's one thing I'm gonna pay more attention to if I do decide to buy another pair of Jordans. So let's talk about comfortability. Comfortability, I give it a 10 out of 10. These are so comfortable. Like, I don't ever feel like my feet are hurting walking in them for too long. I wore them to work before. I just wore them to the Philadelphia 76ers and the who they just play. It's the first game of the playoff. They just played them, but I wore it to the game and my feet felt fine. But the only thing that I would say would made my experience a little bit uncomfortable is whenever I didn't have the actual long socks on, that this right here would rub up against my ankle area and it would kind of dig into it a little bit when I would walk. And I don't know if because the shoe is just so new, is that why it's happening, or it's just the material. But I know when I put the socks on, and here's the socks that I'm referring to. When I put these socks on, I don't feel the friction at all. So it feels a lot better with those being on. Because at first I was wearing regular socks, but I know those look better with these. I see people wearing those. I would say putting them on is a little bit irritating for some reason. Like, I know you're supposed to loosen up your laces to fit your foot in, but even with them all the way loose, I will still have to like shove my foot in there. I guess because I might have wider feet than most people. I don't know. Do y'all have that same issue when it comes to putting on Jordans? My cousin said that she just loosens up the strings, but I do that too. And once it's in, I'm good. But it's like I have to actually kind of snuggle it in to make it fit. But I love how form-fitting it is to my actual foot. Like, it's like a sock. It feels like a sock when I have it on. It's like very lightweight, snug, not tight, but snug to the form of my foot, and it feels like it's like really made for me, just for me. So for comfortability, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. For aesthetics, honey, the aesthetics is there. Aesthetics is there. 10 out of 10. The quality is really good because, like I said, it's very firm. I don't know if I said that. It's very firm, very lightweight. It's not flimsy. I don't baby the shoe. Like, I'll wear them. I don't care if I crease it or not. Boom, there it go. Boom. Like, see how tough it is? Like, I can't even really crease it like this if I wanted to because the structure of the shoe is just so good. Quality's so good. 10 out of 10. And I'm not sure how else I would rank it. Let's see. Comfort, quality, aesthetics, and I want to say the experience at Stadium Goods was very nice. Like, the people who were helping us at the store was super nice. The lady was very, you know, she was helping other people, but she also made sure she came back to us to make sure we were good. So it was cool. They were nice. She even told me, like, if I want to get laces in certain colors, I would go to, if I wanted to get laces in certain colors, I could go to Amazon and just buy laces. Just make sure I get the flat ones and not the round ones, like the ones that come with the Easy Boost 380. But yeah, and then they also gave me a little bag, which was very helpful being in New York, because in New York you have to pay for your bags whenever you go grocery shopping to any store, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Kroger. They don't have Kroger, I don't think, in New York, but you get what I'm saying. The bags cost like 5 cents, 10 cents, I think, because there's a shortage of bags going on in New York. So it was nice that they gave me a reusable bag. My experience of shopping was also a 10 out of 10. I will definitely buy another pair again in a different colorway. So that is my review on the dark mochas and the retro Jordan Air. And thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, make sure you drop them below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.